All right, now that we have a shared folder that our teacher can see, or again, if you wanted to share later on with a partner in your project, now that we have that file created, or folder created, we're just going to double click, and you can see there's currently nothing in here. So we're going to look at our first project. So I'm going to again click on create, and this time I'm going to create a document. This is what we found to work the best. And in here, I'm going to name it whatever my project is. So in this case, this is going to be my 3D block activity. All right, it's owned by me, and I could put a label in here if I wanted to. I'm not too worried about that uh, currently, but if you wanted to mess with that, you could. We'll go ahead and then hit another blue button to create. And now we have it labeled at the top. And down here at the bottom, you're going to see a couple important things: this plus sign, the Parts Studio, and an assembly. So what we're able to do is create a bunch of parts in this particular document, and also multiple assemblies. All right. So we're going to use the same parts over and over again. So it makes sense to go ahead and add them here. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first one. This is just going to be a cylinder. So I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to choose what surface I want to draw it on. So you can see it's highlighted for the top. And then I like to go and actually use the 3D view cube to put it in the top. And I'm just going to make a circle. So I'm going to click in the center, drag out, click again, and now I'm going to put in my measurement. So for this, I want it to be 1 inch. I'm going to go ahead and hit the green check mark to finish. And then I do like to kind of go back to the 3D view, which is basically one of these points on the 3D cube over here. And then I'm going to extrude it. All right, so I'm going to hit extrude. And you'll go over this in the activity as well, but I'm just showing you a quick one. All right, so this is a cylinder. So what I'm going to do is down here where it says Part Studio 1, which is the current item open, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to rename it. All right, and I'm going to rename it what it is. Cylinder. All right, next part, I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus sign, and I'm going to create a new, as you guessed, part, and I'll repeat the same process. So let's say this is going to be the cube. I'll name it, move on to the next one. You'll keep repeating that. The same thing happens when you want to add in a new assembly. So we're going to go create assembly, and there you will have access to all the shapes that you've created. So you can just insert, and right here is your cylinder. All right, so I can just bring that in, drop it in place, ready to work. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with how to use a document and to make this as easy as possible for you to manage your files that we have.